Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. With the Winter Olympics coming to an end, I wanted to show you an easy Olympic themed craft that I found on totschooling.com. I have included a link in the description box below to print and make your own matching game. You can choose to print all of the shapes or a version that fits your child's level. This printable allows you to use a sheet of 6 or 8 shapes, or you can print all 14. I saved the patterns and cut them out using my Cricut cutting machine. This step is only done so that I did not have to cut by hand. I will laminate the board and individual pieces and cut out the flags. There are 2 easy ways to play this game. You can have your child glue the shapes on. With this step, you don't have to laminate, or just have them place the matching shape on top. I prefer matching because they can play the game multiple times. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.